7.6 million ringgit. That's how much Malaysians are losing to scam every single day. By the time we finish this 5-minute pitch, another 26,000 will be lost from the bank accounts of everyday Malaysians, retirees, students, and hardworking families. The problem isn't a lack of awareness, it's a lack of speed. Scammers operate at the speed of light, while our current reporting systems are slow, manual, and it often feels like a post-mortem process once your money has been stolen. So we realized that to protect Malaysians, we don't need a faster reporting tool. What we need is a proactive intelligence layer that can act during the golden hour. That's why we introduced SOFAR, Scam on a Forensic Agent Responder. So this is how SOFAR works. In the first layer, the user will input their narrative text, which includes the scammer's WhatsApp, their email, their company's name, etc. And then this narrative will be passed down to the brain, Jenkins. There are three agents inside: scam analysis, forensic specialist, and incident responder. What these three agents will do is that they will first analyze the text, then find the technical entities like fake URLs, and lastly determine the best course of action to take. In the last layer, the tool layer, we will cross-reference the Bank Negara Malaysia API and Firebase to find any unlisted threats. And once the SOFA has determined the scam, it will send alert to the bank security through Gmail and also make a ready to submit report for the PDRM, Police Diraja Malaysia. So our tool not only identify the scam, we will also try to fight back against them.
Okay, good day everyone. My name is Chiu Xian, and right now I will be talking about what is SOFAR. So SOFAR is an AI-powered web platform that serves as a 24/7 forensic responder agent. It has multiple features. Firstly, interactive forensic chat, which is a real-time narrative analysis of suspicious message or calls. Besides that, we also have MyAI or Firebase live matching. It is an instant cross-referencing of bank accounts and phone number against our Firebase high-risk database and BNM API. Furthermore, you also have automated SRC reporting. It drafts a ready-to-submit report for the 997 hotline. Lastly, we also have automated bank escalation. It is a one-click generation and automated emailing of the suspicious transaction alert directly to the relevant bank security desk. That's all my part. I will pass to Ricky to demo our project. Thank you.
So this is a SOFA system interface. So here we can see the cases recorded in the system and also the latest scam alert. Okay, the user need to input their online scam experience in the system. The victim can enter by using free narrative or guided input. So if you use free narrative, you can use the speed to test function. So you don't need to type. So let's pass our example. So this is the example of the online scam. So we can initialize the analysis. Okay. So okay, first the system will call the scam analyst agent. You will find out the cases in the BNM dataset and also from the Firestore real-time database in our system. So there are 36 in our data set system, database system. Okay. Then you will trigger the second agent, which is the forensic specialist. You will analyzing the evidence. Okay, this is the result provided by the forensic specialist. And it will send the URL to the virus doctor for checking. Then it will trigger the next incident responder agent. Okay, this is the result. And it will also generate the police report and also send the police report to the police or PDRM. So this is the result. Okay, so we can see here the BNM dataset find that this game is matched, and also the database in our system also identified they are cache matched. But the variant total find out that the URL is green. Okay, this one is the scam analyst. It provided the detected pattern. Then the forensic extraction, it will find out the malicious URL and also visual red. Then the incident responder will generate the police report in Bahasa Melayu. Then the user can fill out the information before sending to the PTRM by email. So let's take an example. And phone number we can. Okay, then you will send to the PTRM. So you're sending the email to the PTRM, and you can also download the PDF format. Okay, for the nearest police station. Okay, then you will also provided the recommended action to stop the scam or to delay the scam. Okay, that's all from our system.